Hi folks, Russ with Cross Speciality UK, and today we're carrying out some exterior cleaning on this driveway. I've brought in my friend Darren from Cross Speciality Cleaning, and he's going to assist me on this job. On these bigger jobs, we tend to work together, and his setup is awesome. Incredible machine with immense power. So we're going to tear through this lot in no time. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of video during, or I should say, well, before, during and after. So let's get a little bit closer to where the action is. You'll be able to see how a truck mounted machine works compared to a domestic machine. So as a precaution, because we don't want any water or slurry going beyond the driveway, okay, and making its way onto the path and then onto the road, we've put a special barrier up here which will stop that from happening. Okay, so anyway, let's get on with this, and we'll come back in a bit and see how we're progressing. Well, we've reached the stage of applying a chemical now, and the chemical is going to basically kill any organic growth and remove things like black spots. And so John is just applying the product using an X-Jet, low pressure, and so we're going to leave this on to work. And then it's just a rinse down, but all the dirt has been removed, and it already looks clean. But using this product will not only will it kill the organic growth, it will actually brighten the paving as well. Right, we have come to the end of this job now, and what we did was first of all clean the driveway, and then 2 days later returned today to resand all the joints, and I think you will agree that looks really lovely. All the plant pots have been put back just as they were. We always take photographs before so we can get the plant pots in exactly the same place. Okay, and so there you have it. So that's now looking really lovely, and the driveway unfortunately is kind of dropped in places here. Nothing we can do about that. That's we have to get a company out to rebed the blocks there, and just here it's kind of sunk a little bit here, so we've had to put more sand in those joints. It probably won't stay in the joints, wind and rain and that, but it's better than nothing. So so yeah, there you have it, folks. So if you have a beautiful house like this one, and you're very house proud, and you're looking for a reliable company who you can trust, then please get in contact, and we will offer a free estimate. And if you live in the catchment, so it's the Guildford area we cover, we can certainly help you. So thanks very much for watching my video, and please get in touch if we can be of service.